Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. Today I want to talk about something many of you keep asking me. How can you get Coursera Plus for free? Now let me be clear right from the start. Coursera Plus is a paid subscription, so there is no way to get it completely free forever. But there are real ways to get it free for a short time or at a low cost. And if you are smart about how you use them, you can actually learn a lot without paying much at all. The first and most obvious option is the 7-day free trial. If you are new to Coursera Plus, they give you one full week to explore everything. During this time, you can start any course, specialization, or even professional certificate. My advice is to plan ahead before you activate the trial. Decide which course you want to finish, block some time on your calendar, and try to complete it within those 7 days. If you are focused, you can actually finish short courses and even walk away with a certificate without paying a rupee. But remember, if you don't cancel before the trial ends, you will be charged, so keep an eye on that. Another powerful option is financial aid. Coursera allows you to apply for financial aid on most paid courses. You just need to fill in a simple form where you explain why you want to learn and why you can't afford to pay. The review process usually takes about 2 weeks, but once you are approved, you get the full course, including the certificate, completely free. The only catch is that you have to apply course by course. So if it's a specialization with 5 courses, you will need to apply for each one on its own. But many learners do this successfully, and if you are patient, you can complete entire specialization without spending a single rupee. By the way, I have already made a dedicated step-by-step video on how to apply for Coursera financial aid. You should see it linked at the top of the screen. Go check it out if you want a detailed walkthrough. Now, from time to time, Coursera also runs promotions where your first month of Coursera Plus is just $1. These courses are not always available and sometimes depend on your location. But they do happen. If you spot one of these deals, grab it. In that 1 month, you can complete multiple courses and even entire certificates if you dedicate enough time. It's probably the cheapest way to access everything for a short period. Another method that people often overlook is through your university or employer. Many universities and even some companies have official partnerships with Coursera. This means students and employees get access to all courses for free, sometimes even including Coursera Plus. If you are studying or working, check with your institution. You might already have access without realizing it. If you are in India like me, you will often see big price drops on the annual Coursera Plus plan, sometimes anywhere between 30% to 75% off compared to the regular global price. In fact, as you can see right now, it's 30% off on Coursera Plus in India. Globally, Coursera runs discounts during events like New York, Back to School, Summer Sales, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday, where prices are usually cut by 30% to 50%. So if you don't need Coursera Plus right away, waiting for one of these sales can save you a lot of money. And finally, you can always audit courses. This doesn't give you Coursera Plus, but it does let you access most courses for free. When you audit, you get all the video lectures and reading materials without paying. The only thing you miss out on are the graded assignments, peer reviews, and of course the certificate. But if your goal is purely to learn and not to collect certificates, auditing is a perfectly valid way to use Coursera for free. Here is the real trick. You can combine these methods. For example, start with the 7-day free trial to explore and maybe complete a short course. At the same time, apply for financial aid on the courses you want certificates for. If you only want to watch and learn, just audit them for free. And later, if you find a $1 deal or a seasonal discount, upgrade to Coursera Plus and complete as many courses as you can in that period. This way, you maximize your learning without spending much money at all. So while Coursera Plus is not something you can get completely free forever, there are many smart ways to get access to high quality courses either for free or for very little. I hope this clears up the confusion and gives you a clear strategy on how to use Coursera without paying the full subscription price. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.